Monica, too, has built a business empire from selling luxury homes in Sydney to Chinese buyers overseas. She says investment dipped when trade tensions began and COVID hit. Now sales for $10 million plus homes are back up as her clients seek to move here when borders reopen.
Previously, probably 90% of our overseas buyers are from China. And recently, we listed about 29 properties. We sold 27. And all the foreign buyers actually not just come from China, so we're from Singapore and Hong Kong.
Real estate investment from China has declined significantly from its peak of almost $32 billion in 2015-16 to just over $7 billion last financial year. Americans and Singaporeans now own more commercial and residential property in Australia than Chinese investors.
We're seeing a significant surge in people wanting to move here and to live here, either returning people or indeed because of the lifestyle here.
These new towers just released.
In Melbourne's eastern suburb of Box Hill, Ricky Chen is marketing a major development. He says inquiries from overseas buyers dropped by 70% last financial year, but are on the rise again as foreigners seek to retire in Australia or to send their kids here to study.
We captured good numbers of inquiries from China, from South Asia and US market.
Over the past year, Australian house prices have soared by 13.5%, led by gains in Darwin, Hobart, Canberra and Sydney. That's the highest annual growth rate nationally since April 2004. Houses have been more popular with buyers, rising more than 15% compared to units, which increased by 6.8%. There's still uncertainty about whether foreign buyers will flock back to Australia's housing market once our borders reopen. But if they do return, that will boost competition in an already overheated housing market.
A few years ago, there was definitely direct contention between property investors and first-time buyers. This time around, I think the contention is going to be more up the top end of the market, large properties with land, standalone houses.
Monica too says the way the country has managed the COVID crisis makes it appealing.
When borders open, I will see a flood of people coming back to buy properties in Australia.
But Monica will have to hold off closing those deals until international travel resumes. Nasim Kadem, ABC News, Melbourne.